how we did this community.
Yeah.
We are not organized. That one are number one thing. You know, when people they organize, then go feed do something.
Things go they move.
But we not organized until environmental stroke action age. They came to this community.
Okay.
And they identified the community to work with.
Okay.
Then to work with us through PFA. That is public financing of agri. So through that one now, they can't tell us make we form cooperative. And actually we form cooperative. Say we can only work, that is government can only listen to us when we cooperative.
What are the issues that are facing women in this community?
Okay, like number one issue, you know, say women not they get land. So when we want farm, they not go, our husband not go give us land. The only thing we go look for small money, we go do little one, but the little one will go do self. Our husband will not allow us to enjoy it. But through the coming of Action Aid Stroke Environmental, through this PFA program, we have been taught on how to work on our own, and we visited our traditional leaders, of which they spoke to them, sensitize them on what to do and how to help the women. We are able to get a hand tiller for the women to work. Now we have gotten another big plan. Our eye don't open now. We dey think of doing many other things. Even that cassava alone. Don't we farm?
We'll do it.
Yes. But we are thinking of doing many other
options.
Things, with our power tiller. So with this one, in fact, there is joy, and the women are happy.
Please check our website www.actionaid.org/Nigeria, and the number to call is 0700 70 70 700. Thank you.